Hello children, today we are going to learn the sentence and its types. So first of all children, look at this group of words. यहाँ पे दो लाइन दी हुई है, आप इनको एक बार पढ़ के देखिए. First line, are stars the sky, the in shining. Did you understand something? Okay, let's read second one. Full mangoes, the basket is off. Now tell me, do these words make sense? क्या आपको समझ आ रहा है इनमें क्या बोला हुआ है? I don't think you understand it, right? Now, the same sentences when they are written in this order. See, the stars are shining in the sky. And the second one, the basket is full of mangoes. Now, these words make a sense because they are arranged properly, right? So, look at the points कि sentence क्या होता है. Words are in proper order. It begins with a capital letter and full stop at the end. If these three rules you can see, then you can say that is a complete sentence जिसमें आपको सभी words proper order में मिले, जो sentence capital letter से शुरू हो और जिसके end में full stop हो, तो वो complete sense भी देता हो, उसे हम बोलते हैं sentence. Now here is the definition of a sentence. A group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Now let's move further to types of sentences. कि sentence तो हमें समझ आ गया, meaningful, जो जिसमें पूरी meaning पता चल रही है, लेकिन sentence के कई types होते हैं. Let us see what are those. See, there are four kinds of sentences. The first one is assertive or declarative sentences. Secondly, interrogative sentences. Number 3 is imperative sentences. And lastly, number 4 is exclamatory sentences. Now, let us see one by one what does they mean. First of all, we have assertive sentences, जिसे हम declarative sentences भी बोलते हैं. तो कैसे पता करें कि कोई sentence assertive है? So, here are 3 points. Firstly, they declare something. वो कोई बात हमें बताते हैं. They end with a full stop. They can be affirmative or negative. Declarative जो sentence होते हैं वो दो तरह के होते हैं. एक होते हैं affirmative और दूसरे होते हैं negative sentences. ये सभी sentences हमें कोई ना कोई बात बताते हैं और capital letter से start होके they end with a full stop. Here are some examples, children. Mohit is playing football. अब ये एक हमें sentence बता रहा है कि मोहित फुटबॉल खेल रहा है. It starts with capital M and ends with a full stop. See the second one. He should not run on the stairs. अब इस sentence में आप not देख रहे हो, जहाँ भी आप no, not, never इस तरह के words देखेंगे, वो भी declarative होते हैं, लेकिन वो negative declarative होते हैं. See the third one. I ate noodles in the morning. So these are all declarative sentences. Now let's see what are interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences ask a question. ये ऐसे sentences होते हैं जिनमें कोई question पूछा जाता है and they end with a question mark. Question mark में खत्म होते हैं वो sentence. Example देखिए. Which is your favorite food? Are you coming to school? When is the school reopening? In सभी में we can see there is a question and there is a question mark in the end, right? So these kind of sentences are called as interrogative sentences. Now coming to next, imperative sentences. They give a command or an advice or a request. तो ऐसे sentences जिसमें हमें कोई order command का पता चलता हो या किसी advice या suggestion का पता चल रहा हो या कोई request हो, जैसे हम please करते हैं किसी को, तो ऐसे sentences को हम बोलते हैं imperative sentences. And these sentences also end with a full stop. अब नीचे देखिए. Let's go home. Please give me water. Give me the remote. इन सभी में हम order, command या request देख रहे हैं. So these are called as imperative sentences. Now coming to the last type of sentence, exclamatory sentences. They express strong emotions and they end with an exclamation mark. ऐसे sentences जो है इससे हमारे emotions का पता चलता है कि हम खुश हैं, हम दुखी हैं, whatever, है ना? सारे emotions को जो show करते हैं वो sentences होते हैं exclamatory sentences. और इनको पहचानने का एक बहुत अच्छा तरीका है कि इनके लास्ट में exclamation mark होता है. Look at the examples. What a beautiful picture. Hooray, we have won the match. So these are exclamatory sentences. So children, I hope you have understood sentence and its types. आपको अच्छे से समझ आ गया होगा. अगर नहीं आया है, then you can ask me again. And if you have understood, then show me the thumbs up. Okay? Have a good day.